Hi guys, welcome to Tech Master Furqan. In this quick video, I will show you how you can hide application on Android without uninstalling them. This is the most effective steps. So, first of all, you have to use built-in app hider. For Samsung user, you have to click on setting and biometric security and then click on secure folder. The it will be available in this, and in my case I have Vivo mobile phone, so I have to open Vivo application, like I have to open iManager. So here I will use utility tools. Here I have option app encryption, so I will set password here. I will set air option and I will click on app hiding. I will click select the application and hide them directly from this option. Now if I have to need the view hidden application, you can I can select it from view hidden application by this method. You can also use some gesture for this. I did not know gesture in this. I think I have to pinch two fingers and the hidden application is shown. So the next step you can use is the most, if the application you want to hide is the system application, then you have to click on settings, click on apps. You have to click on all available apps. For example, you want to hide Google Maps, Google Assistance, Google Chrome, or Google Drive application. For example, this is the drive. You cannot uninstall them, or you can simply directly, for example, I use files. You can disable the application. For example, I disable the app and the app is hidden. If you want to again use, you can enable the app. It will show. These are the steps. The next step, if your phone did not have the built-in app hider, you can open Play Store. Here you can search third-party launcher. For example, in the some phones launcher, you can simply choose search here launcher. There are many launcher: Smart Launcher 6 and Nova Launcher. I recommend you best launcher, the Nova Launcher or Epix Launcher. This is almost easy and fast. It speed up your phone. It did not show ad on your devices. It's the most fast. For example, I use Nova Launcher. I then I have to get started. And I have to set my device launcher as Nova Launcher. It is the most easy. You have to click on apps. You have to click on default apps. You have to click on home app. Here you can simple choose Nova Launcher. Now my phone launcher has changed. And you have to now, if you want to hide applications from you, for example, I click hide on authenticate and auto click. You have to click on settings, Nova setting, and here is the option. I think here is option app hider option. This is the app drawer. This is the hide app application. In this, the hidden app is paid, but I did not recommend you this. You can simply click on setting and choose another launcher like a Pix launcher. It's very good. I use Niagara launcher home screen. I think it's fast. Okay. Now I am changing launcher, showing you how you can use hidden application feature in another launcher if your phone does not have this option. The application is downloading. To wait please 1 minute until it's downloaded. It's been installing. Okay, the application is downloading. You have to simply choose default home application and accept the policies of this application. You can choose favorites or anything. You have to show yes. Now this application is showing. This application is different to use. You have to swipe up your phone and it show your application in the list wise use. It's the most simple launcher. You have to simply click on setting. You have to click on launcher setting. Launcher setting, and you have to click on features. You have to click on hidden apps. You can use the application to hide. So I use this application is now hidden. Okay, this launcher, and next I am going to tell the most easiest step method how you can hide. You can click on Play Store. You can search application here, app hider. App lock or app hider. I recommend app lock. The must show is pro. So you click on your app lock. This is the free application. You have to install this app lock application. Now this is installed. You have to open it and choose the app that you want to lock. For example, I set the lock. You have to give permission. You have to user's permission. Now you have to permit allow. You can click on the app that you want to hide. Now the app is hidden. I see here is my file that is not showing. So in this way you can hide different applications of your phones and lock them and secure them. Okay, please, that is this your episode not hidden. Like, share and subscribe for more amazing tricks. Thanks for watching.